Hey crypto friends, for those of you who are new to the channel, my name is Garrett and welcome to Altcoin Radar. Today guys, I'm going to talk about bull flags and how you can spot them on the charts and how to trade them as well. Now, for those of you who are new to the channel, if you are interested in trading and would want to try the same exchange that I use on a daily basis, feel free to go ahead and try out the MEXC crypto exchange. You can find a link to it in the description down below this video. I personally love this exchange because one, they allow me to trade futures. On top of that, they have all the big name small cap altcoins for altcoin nerds such as myself to invest in for the long term. So I love MEXC for that specific purpose. Now, for those of you who are fairly new to technical analysis and charting in general, flags are basically continuation patterns in a current price action trend that allow traders and investors to perform technical analysis on an underlying stock, crypto, or any other asset for that matter, simply to make confident decisions in your next move, all right? Specifically, these specific types of patterns, they form when the price of an asset moves in the opposite direction in the short term from the predominant overall long-term trend. In addition, flag patterns are used to forecast the continuation of, the short-term trend from a point in which the price has consolidated as well. Now, depending on the trend right before the formation of a shape, flags can be both bullish and bearish, all right? But in this specific video, we are only going to be talking about the bullish flags. I'll leave the bearish flags for a different video, okay? All right, so what exactly is a bull flag, all right? Now, to make this as simple as possible, all right, literally to make it as simple as possible, it's basically a sharp, strong rally of an asset that portrays a positive development and typically forms when the price retraces by going sideways to, lower the price action on weaker volume, followed by a sharper rally to new highs on stronger volume, all right? And traders can typically favor this pattern because, they're almost always predictable and true most of the time, literally, all right? So as far as what it actually looks like, a bull flag pattern is characterized by an initial sharp rally, like what you see here in this example that I got from a blog article. I'll also show you an example in like the real-time charts right now as well in a little bit here. But it's characterized by an initial sharp rally, like you see here, all right? And then it's followed by the an area of consolidation, which is right here, which is where you can see the flag portion, all right? Now, this first rally that we see here, it's considered the pull, all right? Then we get into the flag right here, all right? Now, and with most bull flag patterns, the volume increases when the pull is being formed. Obviously, this pull right here, that's when the volume is increasing, all right? Then it drops during the period of this consolidation, as you can see here, which is what forms the flag, all right? Now, though the following breakout, which is right here, though this following breakout does not always feature a high surge in volume, an increase in volume can show that there has been an influx of new buyers. But you guys, this is pretty much what it typically looks like. You've got your flag, you've got your consolidation, and then you've got your big surge that just takes off like crazy right here, all right? So how does the actual bull flag pattern work, all right? It's actually pretty simple, to be honest with you. Traders can profit from identifying bull flag patterns by simply going long. If you're trading the futures market, the crypto futures market, they typically go long on bullish trends like this, all right? I mean, if you're not trading the crypto futures market and you're trading the spot market, it's just pretty much the same thing, all right? But if the flag pull was formed by a move upwards, it typically, it forms a bullish flag. Obviously, we can clearly see that right here, all right? And you'll also show you in my examples that I'm going to show you in a little bit here as well also. But traders can be even more confident that the price will continue to move upwards by the overall length of the pull, okay? Obviously, if the pull is, much longer, hey, you can be even more confident that it's going to eventually, break out of its consolidation that forms, all right? However, if the support of a bull flag is breached, meaning if in this consolidation period right here, if one of these candles ends up breaking through, all the way down to here instead, if it ends up breaking that support, here's the thing, all right? If it breaks through that support, you can pretty much deem the flag as invalid. All right. It's always good to set stop losses at respectable levels, simply just to mitigate these potential losses and manage your overall risk exposure when you're trading any type of charting pattern like this as well. All right. It's actually extremely important. Okay. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to show you some examples on my charts here, just to give you a general idea of how you can look for it in the real world. Okay. So when we are looking at, we're looking at the Ethereum chart right here, right now. Okay. So here's what I'm going to show you. All right. So I can already see one right here pretty much. All right. So we have got a typical right here. We've got a flag. Obviously there's that flag. And then we've got our consolidation right in here. All right. Before, whoops, probably goes on way down here. And then we end up going up again, okay? Obviously, this isn't that big of one. Obviously, we can clearly see that. But it is there nonetheless. And let me see if I can find a bigger one for you, actually, because this is kind of a very small example here on the 4-hour chart. Let me go ahead and get rid of these. Oh, wait, I don't know why I don't just do this. Remove 3 drawings, okay. So let's actually go to this, the bull rally here, okay? These are better examples, all right? So let's check this out, all right? We have got, your typical flag right here, all right? Then we've got this area of consolidation that goes down, and then it shoots up like crazy again, all right? Very perfect, identifiable bull flag right there. You can see it clear as day, all right? Now, here is another one that we can also say, all right? So technically, this would be one also. We've got one right here, all right? And then we go here and here. This is our flag before we end up shooting up again, okay? Obviously, this one wasn't very big, but it is still there nonetheless, okay? So typically, that's kind of what you're looking for realistically, okay? Now, if you guys have any questions about these bull flags or anything like that or anything like this whatsoever, do not hesitate to reach out to me on Twitter or in the comment section down below to ask me anything you'd like to ask, okay? Seriously, don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions. I absolutely love helping people, and I love seeing people profit from these markets, you guys. So overall here, you guys, that's going to pretty much do it for this video. So I will go ahead and wrap this one up. But again, guys, hey, before you guys leave, go ahead and make sure to subscribe to the channel so that you never miss a new crypto and altcoin video from me on a regular basis. And with that said, you guys, thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the comment section down below of my future videos.